Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wave Accounting for simple tax tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Wave Accounting for simple tax tracking, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Wave Accounting website by typing waveapps.com in the address bar and press. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button in the upper right corner and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Get Started button. Next, create a strong password for your account, then confirm it by re-entering it in the designated field. Proceed by clicking on the Create Account button. You will now need to provide some basic information about yourself. Fill in your first and last name, along with your business name if applicable. Select your country from the drop-down menu and enter your phone number. Click Continue to move on to the next step. You may be asked a series of questions about your business type and financial needs. Answer these questions accurately for customized support. Once you complete this section, click Continue. Next, you will be directed to the Wave Accounting dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the tools available. In the top navigation bar, locate the Accounting tab and click on it. Here, you can set up your chart of accounts for more organized tracking. To add accounts, click Add Account and follow the prompts. After setting up your accounts, navigate to the Transactions tab. Import any existing financial data if you have it, or start entering new transactions manually. Make use of the income and expense categories for straightforward tracking. To keep your records organized for tax tracking, categorize your transactions properly. As you begin inputting data, regularly check the Reports section for insights into your financial health. Utilize the Tax Summary Report to get a clearer view of your tax obligations as you go. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Wave Accounting and set it up for simple tax tracking. Continue exploring features like invoicing and payroll as your business grows. Make sure to regularly log in to maintain your financial records and stay organized. That's all for today's tutorial on installing Wave Accounting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.